Man, I hate them Ratchet girls.
I swear. Ratchet?
They so ratchet.
I know, girl. Okay, let me tell you what I know about ratchet chicks. Okay, first of all, let me hit it. She don't know how to dress. Look at her hair. It's curly, but it's not looking like there. Her hair looks like Steve Ball's. Oh, where? Ooh, girl, it's some real hair. You got tracks. At least I got real hair. My horse looks better than her. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Tell me, girl. Tell me.
Ratchet? She ratchet?
She ratchet. Oh, my God.
She ratchet?
OMG. OMG.
She ratchet?
Oh, she ratchet. Okay. First of all these ratchet girls better hit the mall. They better find some good wigs to wear. I got better hair than you'll ever have. And then first of all you ratchet chicks better get on my way because I'm hitting it. I'm in the club, girl. I'm in the club, y'all. All I know is smoking on the blunt, y'all. Ooh, y'all. Tell them.
She ratchet?
Ooh, she ratchet.
She ratchet?
Oh, she ratchet.
She ratchet?
Oh, she ratchet.
She ratchet?
Oh, she ratchet. Oh, she ratchet. Oh, she ratchet. Oh, she ratchet.
She ratchet?
Oh, she ratchet. First of all the ratchet chicks out there, you better stop with your hair. Oh my God, all you ratchet chicks out there, you can't find no one else to be. Ratchet, 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 ratchet.
Bald-headed chicks.
Ratchet, 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 ratchet.
Bald-headed chicks.
Okay, girl.
She ratchet?
Okay, girl. Ain't that right? Ain't they be ratchet?
They ratchet?
Ain't she ratchet? Hold up, girl. Let me say something in your ear. She ratchet, ain't she?
Heck yeah, girl.
She needs some better hair.
A hairdo, some new perm, cause she is ratchet from the bottom to top.
She just like a marshmallow. She puffy, ain't got no hair. Ugly. You can rip apart. Chewy. Cause she ratchet. Cause she ratchet. Cause she ratchet.
She ratchet?
Oh, she ratchet. Ratchet.
She ratchet?
Ratchet.
Bald-headed chicks. Bald-headed chicks. Bald-headed chicks. Bald-headed chicks. Bald-headed chicks, girl.
Ratchet.